So really the goal of the Dana Center Mathematics Pathways is to both accelerate students who are at the developmental level, who have tested in need of developmental courses, to get them through those courses more quickly, and then to get to and complete a college level course within 1 year. In addition, the goal is also to be able to align the kinds of math courses that students take with the kinds of careers that they might have. So for instance, a psychology or a statistics major would take statistics courses rather than algebra courses, which algebra has been the traditional pathway for most students. In addition, the goal is to have some supports for students that will help them grow as learners, kind of understand that growth mindset and understand that they can grow their intelligence, that there's not something that's fixed, and also be able to support them in multiple ways through tutoring, through advising, multiple types of ways to support students. And then finally to integrate evidence-based pedagogy into the classroom. So for instance, things like active learning models, where students are actually really engaged with the learning and problem solving rather than just sitting at a desk, listening to a teacher lecture or working on a worksheet by themselves. So those are some of the kind of key principles behind that model. I think perhaps one of the most kind of telling things from the implementation research and qualitative research was the survey we did of students. We often saw 30, 40 percentage point differences in students understanding how their math might apply to their life in the future, in whether or not they worked with other students, whether or not their teacher provided them answers right away, or whether they had to struggle a bit. It was really remarkable, particularly having done other surveys of other types of programs that are trying to change the classroom experience of students where we really didn't see any differences. I think this was really a remarkable thing. In addition to seeing different classroom environments, we also saw impacts on students' completion of developmental courses, and we also saw impacts on their completion of a college-level math course within 3 semesters. So the students who took the Dana Center Mathematics Pathways courses were completing their developmental requirements more quickly. They were also completing their college-level math courses more quickly, and that continued over multiple semesters of follow-up. The field is now moving towards even more acceleration by having students dually enroll in developmental courses and college-level math courses. And so I think this study really shows that kind of a model has promise, that the students can actually go more quickly in finishing their developmental courses and gain what they need from those courses and get to college-level courses more quickly.